Very good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Mr. Mahbudur Rahman, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Engineering. Today, I will cover renewable energy source like solar. So, first of all, see that what is our solar, or we how we can say that solar energy is our renewable energy. We know that renewable energy source is a source of energy that replenishes naturally on human time scale. And non-renewable energy sources like coal and oil are not considered renewable because they form over hundreds of thousands of years. But our solar energy, we can say that it is our renewable energy. So see here, what is a renewable energy source? A renewable energy source means energy that is sustainable, something that could not run out or is endless like the sun. When you hear the term alternative energy, it is usually referring to renewable energy sources too. Solar energy reaches via the sun rays, while fossil fuels come from the ancient carbon rich remains on earth. And how we can say that our solar power is green? How green is solar power? In addition to being renewable solar energy, it is typically labeled a green source of energy due to the lack of harmful environmental side effect associated with its use. So, in this way, we can say that our solar power, that is our renewable, and that have a label of green source of energy. Now, we are seeing here that the most popular renewable energy sources currently are solar, wind energy, hydro energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, biomass energy. But today we will cover on solar energy, that is an environmentally responsible method of generating power and also makes financial sense. Solar panels can also be recycled and the component within them repurposed, further lowering the overall environmental footprint of solar energy. And solar energy, we can say that that will be very useful and growing segment of our power generation mix, and it will play an important role in the future of energy production. Production power with solar panel has to big advantage over fossil fuels, and it is both renewable and cost effective. Solar is renewable resources and does not emit any greenhouse gases in the energy generation process. However, the cost of solar in relation to other fuel sources, that is a barrier to adoption. Additionally, sunlight varies depending on the geographic location, season and time of day, which all create limitation on its uses. Now, see here, solar energy, that is the most abundant renewable energy source in the world. Solar energy system refers to the technology that convert the sun's heat or light to another form of energy for use. There are two categories of the technologies. One is solar photovoltaic and second one is our solar thermal. Solar photovoltaic, it is also called as PV. This technology that converts sunlight into direct current electricity by using semiconductors. In contrast, solar thermal is a technology that utilizes the heat energy from the sun for heating the electricity production. Now see here the advantage of using solar energy system. There are many advantages of our solar energy because we know that our solar energy, it is clean, affordable, simple, dependable, diverse, and will get the picture with that said. Great as well as green energy. So we can say that it have a many advantages You can save money in the long term also, and also do your bit for saving the environment. One of the most relevant benefit is the cost certainty factors, as you can lock in your electricity rate for many years. With utility bills rising continuously, the ability to lock electricity rate for as much as 20 to 25 years, and it can help you save money in a big way. Solar panel also increase the value of your home. So these are your advantage of using solar energy system. And here are some interesting solar energy facts also. See here, a solar panel first appeared in the market in 1956, and photovoltaic power system were used in space program way back in 1958. They are used even today also. Demand is greater than supply for solar energy systems. They require little maintenance and can last for decades when handled properly. Newly constructed homes will have solar panels as a standard addition. California takes the credit for having the largest solar power plant in the world. There are 9 solar thermal plants covering the area of how much? 1,000 acres in the Mosby Desert. The city of Glendale, CA lead the solar panel installation in the US. There are several federal and state government initiatives and programs being offered to encourage homeowners to go solar. Okay, thank you for listening.